Hey everyone, today I want to show you the MS Bot Next Ticket Alpha version. So this one, people have been talking about it for a while, so we just released it today as an alpha version. It's fully functional with some new feature being developed right now. So what the problem the Next Ticket are really solving? So imagine you have a technician come to the office at 8 o'clock in the morning, or just finish a ticket and ready to go for the next ticket. So we got this situation happening all day long. So they look at these 80 tickets in their primary service board, and here's typically what happened. So they either spend a lot of time to decide which one they should do, or they started cherry picking on the ticket for the easier ones, or some of the from the nicer client. Uh, Many times because they have the wrong view or the wrong sorting, they miss the important tickets. So they're doing all of this while using the very slow ConnectWise interface, jumping between the different service board, go through the different view, open the different ticket, then close them. That takes a lot of time. Some company hire a full-time dispatcher to assign the tickets to the technicians. So many things need to be considered. Ticket priority setting, MRR, user's title, ticket status, how long the ticket being open or in that status. It takes a dispatcher a lot of time to figure it out. And of course, dispatcher also a human being. They're making mistakes, not available, all those situations happen, it will create the trouble there. So how the next ticket app solve the issue? So what we do is we mimic what the dispatcher is doing as in the real life. Instead, we have this all the predefined rules to assign the priority points to each ticket. So the same thinking process of what the dispatcher is thinking. So all the dispatcher, what in their mind, we try to mimic it in the software. So we can use all the your own custom points based on your company's situation to define the different rules. So when the technician requests the next ticket, the app will calculate the points from the each tickets in their primary service board and any other tickets in other service board that assigned to them. Then we'll send the highest point ticket displayed to the tech and dispatcher. So this way, all the dispatching is happen automatically in real time, eliminate the needs of the calculation, sophisticated calculation from the tech and dispatcher. So they can spend more time working on the tickets or dealing with the client. And this application used in the ITS showed it's save money, save time, more accurate. You get this more accurate dispatch, and it works 24/7. So I'm gonna do a quick demo for the current alpha version. Please provide the feedback. So this is the interface. Once you log in to the MS Bot, you have the app, next ticket, you're gonna get the screen here. So as you can see here, you can choose the different service board. You can select one or two, typically whatever your primary service board. You select which service board you want all the ticket to be calculated. And here, default for yourself. If you're a dispatcher or the manager, you want to look into other users' account, you can select the users from here. This one has a checkbox. Do you want to only focus on this service board, or you also want to focus on any other service board which have a ticket assigned to you, right? So when you get in, the system automatically assign the tickets, which has the highest point at that moment, and it display the ticket number, summary, company, contact status, initial description, and all the notes being added to this ticket. And here on the right side, it shows the total points and the breakdown of the total points from the MR, title, priority, time, last update, and who is assigned, and if the assigned person is the same person with the user assigned, right? So if the user think this is a good ticket for them, they can click this, it directly go to the ConnectWise, they can start working on it. if they think this ticket for some reason, you know, they say this is not a good ticket for them, they can do the reject ticket. Give the reason, whatever the reason they think, they don't, they're not supposed to work, right? I was told not to touch this client, right? For whatever reason, they save it. So this reason will be sent to the manager to review to see if we should build a new point calculation engine based on those reasons if the reason is legitimate. And then the system skip that ticket, give the technician next ticket, and the technician can just repeat until they start working on it. Of course, when the technician work the ticket in the ConnectWise, it changed to the in progress, change the status, and a lot of stuff gonna be updated, like the time in the status, this priority, all those can updated. It will affect the score. Then this ticket will not be on the top anymore. So you must have the question here is how this point are assigned or defined. So you go here, go to the setting, click the next ticket. So this is where you're setting the how the score being calculated. As you can see here, you can choose which service board you're gonna do the calculation, and there's a there are six categories you can do. We're adding more, and I would love the feedback to see what are the other points we should be considering. So you can see, the more MRR, the more points. If this is assigned to the tech, you get more points. CEO has more points than the team leads. You can add more title, whatever your definition. And priority, higher the priority, more points. This is the most popular, complicated screen for the status and how long they have been in the status, right? Look at it here. Is we call these are all actionable status. Other status like a canceled, closed, completed, escalated, in progress, waiting, or scheduled, those are non-actionable ticket status. So we only the status are checked. Only the tickets has the status are checked here will be calculated. And the way the points at calculation is happens as we give a ticket an initial score. So some status are more important than other status. For example, new parts needed, renewed, we consider is more important. So it's, for example, renew. Again, the 400, I get 400 point between the 0 to 10 minutes. If I get to the 20 minutes, it becomes 420 points. 410 points, then 420, 430. If your company have the rules is any tickets renewed more than 2 hours, you want to bring the tech's attention, the best way, you change the after 2 hours, it just add 900 points right there. So this way, it gave it a higher score. Once it's reached 2 hours, everybody, who requests the next ticket, this have a higher chance to pop up on the top, ticket number. You can adjust it can 900 or 9,000 or 90,000. This really depends on whatever your process should be. And if you change it, you can save it, or you can click the preview. So the preview is whatever this ticket point system you defined, you want to give it a try to see if this makes sense, right? You can look at it here. Here's all the tickets currently in the service board is sorted by the highest points for each ticket. So you can look at it and say, this ticket should not be this high. It's not that important why it's here. So then you can look at it and say, yeah, it didn't get any point because it's an operation manager. It gets 3,000 point because it's a party three. It's only 100 point because it's $1,200, and because it's new, and it has been there for 293 hours, so it gathered the 320 points. So by evaluating these points, you can tweak the points. If all this doesn't look good, You can go back, change it, then preview, then change it, then preview. After some kind of tweaking, you feel comfortable, then you're all set. We did pre-populate a template for you, so it's roughly working, but you can tweak whatever you want to make it fit your situation. So that's about it. You go in as admin, go through the setting for the regular user. All they need to do is just go to the app next ticket. It will automatically do all the calculation further. So this is the roadmap for something we're gonna do. Other than what you already saw here, we have the roadmap the next month. We have some couple of beta release. So number one, have create a super flexible point rules engine, so you can name whatever the rules. If it's a summary, include these words. You want to give it a 500 points. If summary include that words, you want to deduct 5,000 points, or user be able to also, we have some requests, can we add some like directly get access a link to the ConnectWise Automate, so you can directly control the computer from the MS bots, and the user be able to directly add the time entry from the MS bots, or change the ticket information like priorities, companies, contracts, directly add from the MS bot interface without going to the ConnectWise. So that saves them step, and the MS bot interface is faster than the ConnectWise interface. So if this is something you're interested, you think it's something you want to give a try, it's pretty easy. If you already signed up for the MS bots, you can just directly go to the apps, click the next ticket. Anybody in your company should be able to directly access it without any setup. It's already there. And as the administrator, as I already mentioned, you can go to the setting, tweak the point setting, then it will work instantly. If you're not signed up for the MS bot yet, it's just go to the https app.msbot.ai. It takes less than 5 minutes. The next ticket will up running for every single person in your company and every single service board, include HR, sales, accounting, whatever the board you have. The same thing, you can tweak the setting of the points, then it should start working for you. I want to just remind everyone right now the version only work with Office 65 and ConnectWise users. So if you're on the auto task, we're planning to do it at the Q1. So this is since this is the alpha version, I'm really, really, really looking for the feedbacks. Especially the area you don't like, or the area we're missing the feature, because our development plan is really based on the user feedback. If the multiple user are requesting the same feature, it will bump the priority. We'll make that happen first. So you can send an email to support@msbbots.ai. So hopefully you enjoyed the presentation and you like it. When you try it, then you find out that this will really help you save time, improve the efficiency, make everybody's life easier, and make more money, right? So thank you. Please send the feedback. Looking forward to get email from you.